omukoro gwo kujweka abapolisi enyota aha pik motel Bushenyi omugenyi mukuru abira director wa mizi kandi ayakirwe mukuru wa polisi ahabwe cyanga cya Bushenyi osimere mukuru w'ihanga hamwe na mukuru wa Uganda Police okushemeza ekitinisa cyabo.
So in case you tear gas, you know that it is at Ageihangwe on his orders. He has unleashed enough promoting.
So minsi marahanga kugira ngo nanye biro muri yaho abo mugisa negiranga none nakuwe bwiye bunyo nakuwe urutakubasa kuyebwa nicyo barebera twatika mamanyi twayita abantu bitu banwani bitu.
Abajwecerwa ba mukuru w'ihanga omucyangeki bashabere abajwecerwe kumanya ikigenderwa ekitumere babatungura.
All we expect from you is better service to the community. All the accusations that may arise about you, we know you are very excellent officers, I can testify.
Otwatungira nyotezi hatute mamani akwatubire moto vetted tukore kurungi ture ngureta Bushenyi yitu twagiboneza kurayemu twagi reducing.
Thank you. I want to thank you. I want to encourage you. Keep up the spirit. These men are serving this country. And you must allow them to serve. Learn to reciprocate. You have been elevated today. You elevate them as well.
Wealth insecurity is this issue which my good friend Director Wills is really trying to deal with as part of his manifesto. The whole issue which is being addressed by the PDM. So instead of police just observing to see who has stolen the money and that's where you want to come in, I think it would be good for you to be part and parcel of fighting this poverty.
Abapolisi abironomwe bahirwe enyota za assistant superintendent kandi abandi bahebwa obwa full superintendent, abandi bahebwa ekitinisa cya senior superintendent, abasigara 45 nabo bahirwe inspectorates, abajwecerwe ranks ezindi babiri bari nkagana mukaga kandi babarundanire sente buri omwe emitwari 10 nkakasimu.
It's been a long exercise. Officers
Gashakwa Benomuhozi.
Police